Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Ah, Ina Villegas Duarte,
And and you're from
Philippines.
Philippines. What kind of job are you looking for?
Or cook?
Housemaid or cook? What is your visa situation?
This is coming finish January 22.
You're on an employment visa and it will finish on January 22. So
Yeah.
in which cities and countries are you willing to work?
Dubai or Abu Dhabi?
Dubai or Abu Dhabi? So tell me something about your present job.
Um, Now my present job is I'm cooking and I'm cleaning room.
You're cleaning a house. You're a housemaid and a cook
Yeah,
for a local family.
a local family.
Okay. So are there any children in the family?
Children in the family, there are 15 children.
But you're not in charge.
Not in charge. Only
Yes.
I'm
Only cleaning and cooking. Okay. So why do you want to leave your job?
maybe I'm thinking my salary.
You're looking for a job with a higher salary. Okay. So what are your salary expectations?
Uh, my salary is now is 1,600.
Your salary now is 1.6. So what is your salary expectation?
Uh, Expectation higher than 1,600.
Higher than 1,600. So what exactly? The amount.
Exactly 2,000 like that.
Okay, at least 2,000. Okay. Are you single or married?
Widow.
What?
Widow.
You're widow. Do you have children?
No.
You don't have children. Okay. As a housemaid, which task will you perform every day in the house? As a housemaid, what are the things you're going to do every day in the house?
Uh, in the house, when I wake up in the morning, I'm cooking for breakfast.
Okay. And then?
I go to the market.
Uh-huh.
Uh, and then when I come back, I clean the room. Then I cooking for lunch.
You clean the room and you cook for lunch. Okay. So you said you're a cook. You're working as a cook.
Uh,
What kind of foods uh, do you prepare? What
I
kind of foods?
can cook African food and food. I
Af-
understand first small Chinese food.
Chinese food. You're also cooking Arabic foods and, of course, Filipino foods, no?
Philippines no, but American food.
American foods. What do you prefer? Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
Uh, Cooking.
You love cooking. Okay. So how long do you plan staying in this job? How long? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? How long do you plan staying in this job?
It work how long?
Mm-hmm.
No. Years, 4 years I can work.
Okay. So, are you in good health?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you comfortable with animals, such as cats and dogs, for instance?
Yes.
Okay. Why should you be hired? What
Me,
qualities do you have? Mm-hmm.
hardworking and honest.
You're hardworking and honest. So, what are your hobbies?
Uh, Cooking.
Cooking. So, you really love to cook. Okay. Thank you very much for your time, Edina. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for MaidTV.com. Thanks. Thanks.